EC meter, then check the following points. Make sure the meter is not damaged. By that we mean that the meter is not covered with scratches and dents, or full of soil and other pollution. Products with damage are not covered by the warranty. Check that the glass electrode is not broken. Broken glass is not covered by the warranty. The glass pH probe is a fragile part. Therefore, always handle your measuring instrument with care. Then the pH electrode might be dried out. Soak the electrode in tap water for several hours to reactivate the pH electrode. Due to contamination of the pH electrode, the membrane used to measure can become closed. The pH value will then often stand still at pH 7.0. The cause of this is usually lime or algae scale. Clean the glass electrode carefully. Soapy lukewarm water or cleaning fluid. Use a soft brush for this. Wet the electrode and clean it carefully. Do not press too hard. Repeat this process until the electrode is thoroughly clean. Rinse the electrode with clean tap water. Then soak it for at least 1 hour in pH 4.01 dark solution. Rinse the electrode with tap water and recalibrate the meter. The meter should now work again if the contaminated electrode was the problem. If the EC value does not go to 0.0 when the meter is not in the liquid, then it's probably contaminated. This can be caused by lime scale, algae, or a grease layer on the EC electrode. Clean the electrode carefully with soapy lukewarm water or cleaning fluid. Use a soft brush for this. Wet the electrode and clean carefully. Do not press too hard. Rinse the electrode with clean tap water. Then recalibrate the meter. The meter should now work again if the contaminated electrode was the problem. Poor quality or outdated batteries, or if the meter has been stored in a cold place, can deteriorate the quality of the batteries. The batteries indicator can indicate that they are full, but the meter cannot properly work due to poor quality. Always replace the batteries preventively. The meter contains 3 1.5 volts button-cell batteries. You can easily replace these. Recalibrate the meter after replacement. If all these points have been checked and the meter is still not working properly, then you can rely on the warranty. The warranty period of the purchase is 1 year on the meter itself and half a year on the electrode. We hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.